Okay, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So នៅក្នុងវីដេអូនេះយើងនឹងធ្វើការញ៉ាំមី yes instant មី Indomie ធ្វើជាលក្ខណៈ Mukbang ហើយនៅក្នុងវីដេអូហ្នឹងគឺយើងមានជាលក្ខណៈ challenge មួយដែលពួកយើងមានមី Indomie ហ្នឹងម្នាក់មួយចានតបមកយើងនឹង challenge គ្នាថាណាគេដែលញ៉ាំមើលទៅឆ្ងាញ់ជាង Okay, you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so this is for you and this is for me, but we cannot eat it right now, so we have to what? Cook it first, right?
Yes.
Okay. It's done. Okay, so this is mine
And this is mine.
How does it smell?
It smells good. Good.
Okay, let's try to mix it.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
It smells so good. Why don't you move in a little bit out of the frame? Muôn là bốn, muôn là dân nhắm cứ dân từ mix we ở chỗ khní sấn. Và tạo mà tiệt dân đã cương cho khní cô. Mix it and mix it. Why don't you show yours?
It's too hot.
It's not hot at all. Okay. Smells so good. Wait. Mà tiếng nào bán vợ không anh đi. Lên cho cái một tiếng. Cái một tiếng mở ở băng băng. Okay. Wait. Hay nữ.
Hey.
Tao hỏi lên là cái nhang mồn. Lại mà nhang mồn lên ta. Tục. I put on one chop.
Jungle sibling first.
Make it like it's so delicious. You have to come inside the frame of the camera. I cannot see you. Is it how you eat when it's delicious? Okay. You have your time. Take your time to give the expression.
Yeah.
Chanyan.
I would give it 80.
80 out of 100. So 8 out of 10.
Yes. No, I prefer the original one.
It's so good. It's good. This is what we call mie goreng in Bahasa Indonesia. Okay? Can you say it?
So what?
Mie goreng.
Mee goreng.
It's like fried noodle.
Just say it Indomie.
You know, there is one fact about the word mie in Khmer language, in Khmer and also in Bahasa Indonesia. Like we both pronounce it as mie, just the same. Yeah, it's very easy, right? You don't say anything.
No, we are eating, so we have to be quiet.
This is mukbang.
Just tell us a story.
It's so delicious. It's so good. How about yours?
Do you think they can hear us?
Don't know. I'm using my phone to film, so I'm not sure about the sound, but I hope you guys can hear us. Honestly, it's good.
It's good. I just like the Indomie.
Missing Indonesia so much.
Indomie.
Missing Indonesia so
like the noodle texture, like it's good. I like the texture.
But not the taste.
No, I also like the taste, but I like the original
Texture
one
better.
Yeah.
Yeah. I know this one is not the original one. The one I used to eat in Indonesia is not this. But still the taste is good. It's a little bit spicy, like pedas. Oh! Let's finish it up. It's so good. For me, I would give it like 9.9 out of 10. It's delicious. Delicious!
I think this is the spicy one. What is this?
Because
it's
there
the
is
spicy
like
one.
chili powder provided inside.
Like it's not like I don't like spicy, but
Is it too spicy?
no.
I think it's just
I love spicy, but I just feel like with this is not.
okay. So your final opinion about this, how much would you give it on a range of 1 to 10?
I rated it up to 9.5.
9.5? You increase it?
Yeah.
For me, I give it like 9.9 out of 10. It's delicious. Delicious. Okay, I already finished it up. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to give this video a
Thumbs up.
and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to
Subscribe.
okay, bye bye guys.
Bye-bye.
Dadah.